Did anyone else have a school janitor who was secretly working at NASA? We neither, but Mateo the janitor left NASA speechless with his invention. Every morning before sunrise, Mateo Cruz pushed his broom through the echoing halls of Brookshire College. To everyone else, he was invisible, just the janitor with a gentle smile and a mop. But when no one was watching, his eyes didn't wander, they calculated. Every classroom he cleaned and every circuit board he dusted were lessons, silent, stolen lessons. He didn't wear a badge or a title, but in his heart, he knew he was more than his uniform. When night fell, the campus belonged to silence and to Mateo. While others slept, he transformed the janitor's closet into a secret workshop. Scraps of metal, broken sensors, and old lab parts covered the table. He wasn't just fixing, he was creating. A small, clunky device sat in front of him, a self-learning cleaning drone built entirely from discarded materials. As it powered on, Mateo held his breath, the lights blinked, the rotors spun. And for a moment, the room filled with magic, until the drone slammed straight into the trash can. He laughed softly. "Progress," he whispered. The next morning, Mateo mopped the lab floor as usual, but this time someone noticed. Lena Brooks, a computer science major, paused mid-step. "Wait, did you build that?" she asked, staring at the drone resting on the counter. Mateo hesitated. "It's nothing, just a little project." Lena laughed in disbelief. "That's not nothing, that's data-driven path mapping. You built this yourself." For the first time, someone didn't see a janitor. She saw a genius hiding in plain sight. Would you have told the whole campus about Mateo's invention or kept it secret? Comment your answer below, we're watching your takes. By noon, the whispers spread like wildfire. The janitor built a robot. Mateo felt every stare, every phone camera. He wanted to disappear. But instead, Professor Haynes called him in. "Mr. Cruz," the professor said slowly, holding the drone, "did you design this?" Mateo nodded quietly, "Yes, sir." Silence, then applause. "You just solved an algorithm even my graduate students couldn't." For the first time, Mateo didn't look at the floor. He looked at his dream and realized it was finally looking back. Weeks later, Mateo's story made headlines. A local tech firm offered to help patent his design. But he didn't chase fame. He returned to the lab, this time not as a janitor, but as a research assistant. The broom still leaned in the corner, not a reminder of his past, but proof of his rise. When Lena asked him how it felt, Mateo smiled gently. "Like I finally cleaned up the one thing that always held me back, doubt." Would you have believed in Mateo if you saw him sweeping floors? Drop your thoughts below and hit like and subscribe for more stories that prove greatness often wears humble shoes. Sometimes the ones who sweep the floors are the ones cleaning up the limits of the world.